Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you an update on the Florida lease killie tank. I just saw a baby, the first baby I've noticed, and I don't know where it went. They're so small. So let me find that again and I'll be right back. There it is. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. Oh, it went away again. Hold on. Alright, so if you guys look real close, right in the middle of the screen, he just darted away. But he's right there. These things are so hard to get on camera. Alright, so he's right there. Right in the middle of the screen. God, they're so hard to see. There's one right there. See him? Little tiny guy. This is my phone at like max zoom. I mean, you can see the size of that small snail there. There's an adult. But you guys saw him. I'm not going crazy. They're so hard to film. They're so cute. There he is again. Oop. Oh gosh. My camera is having a hard time focusing. There we go. Right there. See that little guy? Right there. There he is. Anyways. Curtis hooked me up with these, I don't know, maybe a month ago. Let's see if I can zoom out here. I cannot zoom out. I do not know why. But yeah, these guys are doing great in here. I'm glad I was able to get one of the babies on camera. I've been up here trying for so long to get one on camera. They are insanely small. That's an adult. So yeah, thanks for hanging in there and finally got to see one.